Hi there, I'm James Tadeo. In this tutorial, we're going to install the Photon Unity Networking plugin for Unity. We're going to take a look at the demo so we can try it out. The Photon Unity Networking plugin, or PUN, simplifies the creation of a multiplayer game. It's available free at the Asset Store at unity3d.com. There's also a more detailed explanation about it at exitgames.com, the makers of PUN. To try out PUN, we're going to do the following. 1. Import the PUN plugin from the Asset Store into Unity. 2. Once imported, one of the first things PUN will ask for is an app ID. There are two ways to do this. One is just by entering our email address, and the other way is by going to the Exit Games website and creating an account. In this tutorial, we're going to opt for just entering our email. Number 3, once the app is imported, we'll do a build and run the demo. At the end of this tutorial, we should be able to launch and try out the PUN demos. It'll help to establish that we can run the demos and we can have a look at them and learn. Let's start by creating a new project. So go under File, New Project. And for this one, we'll name it How to Install PUN. And then click Create Project. And no, I don't want to save that. So here we have our project is created, and now the next step is to launch the Asset Store. To launch the Asset Store, just go to Window, go to Asset Store, and it'll start to load. Once launched, what we could do is we can do a search for PUN. The one that we want is this one, so click on it. We want to use the free version, so click on Download and it'll start to import into Unity. Notice all the files are listed here. Click Import. Once imported, we get this control panel, or this panel. We can enter our email, and then click Send. An app ID is immediately assigned to us. I'm just going to click Best and then click Save. So we're pretty much done. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close the Asset Store. So here we go. The PUN demo is installed and the plugin is also installed. In this next step, we're going to set it up so that we could run the demos. So go under PUN Guide, Window, Photon Unity Networking, Apply Build Setup for Demos. And there's our demo. We can now run the demo. I'm going to click on Maximize Play over here. Click here. And there's our demos. There's a whole bunch of them there. I'm going to click on Worker Demo. Create Room. And then we see our character walking around, controlled by the keyboard. At this point, we're connected to the Photon servers. We can control a character, and if someone were to chime in, we'll be able to see them as well. Let's do that now. I'm going to create a build, and I'm going to create an app right there. This is our app. Double click, and what I want is windowed, and I want it fairly small so you can see it. I'm going to click on Worker Demo and create room. So there's the first instance right here. I'm going to go back to Unity. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to click play. Click here, join the room, and there's our character right there. We go here, you'll see this character walking as well. So there we go, multiplayer example. So in this tutorial, we created a new project, we launched the asset store, we imported Pun into Unity, and then we ran the demo. We also can see that we have a successful connection to the ExitGame server. This completes the How to Install Pun. My name is James Adeo, and thanks for listening.